Hi, hello, we are again in the School of Pendulum. In this class of Pendulum, I want to teach you, Stefan, something different. We're going to start by saying something. You have the stick that maybe is too long for you or not too long for you. Is this comfortable? Because for some people, this is not comfortable, so they need something shorter, so like that. Like that, or you should break this one if you want shorter and you have something shorter.
It's very good.
Okay. For me, it's more comfortable shorter. I have this one. Oh, the pendulum fall down. You see, nothing happened because this is a piece of wood, actually. So the way I clean that from the paint that it has in the falling, let's say, that or if it got there, I clean it like that. Because it's energy. It's like I take. Okay, that's it. You can take another pendulum. You can take another pendulum and find out if this pendulum is clean or not. You can act from far, pointing with this, point my pendulum, and ask if my pendulum is clean or not.
So as you say, like I take a clean,
No.
something clean
You
on there.
point. We did that in the, yes, correct. You point the pendulum and you ask.
Pendulum. Is this pendulum clean or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's clean.
Yes, it's clean.
So my pendulum, correct? My pendulum is clean, according to what you say. Fine. So I can walk and I believe you, because it's clean. But I can ask also, pendulum, tell me if you are clean, yes or not. Yes, I can ask him directly. The same way I can clean myself, energy cleaning and all that. Now, what we are going to do now, Stefan, you put this in the middle. We have this picture that I put before, you put before. It's the same picture that we used in the last class when you were talking about allergies and the milk and all that. You remember?
Yes.
Okay. I go back again and I say, pendulum, give me the point of origin of this person.
Pendulum, give me the point of origin of this person.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pendulum, is this the point of origin of this person, yes or no?
Pendulum,
Mine
is
is
this
yes.
the point of origin of this person, yes or no? No, it's not.
And
No.
we have the, before the round up here.
Pendulum, is this the point of origin of this person, yes or not? Pendulum, is this the point of origin of this person, yes or not? Yes.
Yes. Why you close your hand like that? People like when you dance in your Gaga classes, that you keep open. Right? You keep loosing like you keep like that loose. You don't close especially unless you stretch or you do before. Listen. Okay, I take out this one. I'm gonna take another clean sheet. You have it there?
Thank you.
I take a new sheet clean, okay? And I'm going to take a picture where I have two people here. This is also a picture from the newspaper. I'm going to protect the people with I'm going to protect the people from radiation from the outside, okay? And this picture is here. I don't have necessarily to stick nothing here. Now, the way I'm going to do now is I have this paper clean in order to put the pendulum, or I can have the pendulum outside too. Okay, it's the same, nothing happened, but it's just to show you I have it like that. I'm sitting properly, like I start. Okay, Pendulum, please give me the point of origin of those two people.
Pendulum, please give me the point of origin of these two people.
Something is wrong. Forget it. I'm gonna do something different. Okay? I'm gonna do that. I want the picture, the pen that I cannot work with two people at the same time asking for anything. Correct?
Correct.
So something is wrong.
Yes.
Now, the picture has two people and I want to work with one of them.
Yes.
Okay. So I will say, here is the picture with two people. It's a woman and a man in my case. So I'm gonna take the man.
So we're taking
So I'm gonna ask, I want to ask about the man, okay? So I'm gonna place the pendulum in top of the picture and I'm gonna say, pendulum, please give me the point of origin of the man in the picture. And I go slow, 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 and eventually that's it.
Pendulum, please give me the point of origin. This person.
So I'm going, wait one, pendulum, please give me the point of origin of this people, of this man. Okay. Thank you, pendulum. Pendulum, is this man in his point of origin? Yes or no? Yes. Is yours in the origin? Which one you choose?
I also choose the man.
And is in the point of origin?
Not yet. This is point of origin of this person.
That's it, you got it.
Pendulum. Yes or no? Is this the point of origin of this person?
Always yes or no.
Yes
You
or
have
no?
to give the choice.
Yeah.
Choice.
Yes or
Because
no?
in the computer 01 is of this or this. In here is or this, so yes or no. Now, I'm going to place the pendulum in top of the woman and I'm going to say, pendulum, please, here, pendulum, please, is this woman in his point of creation, yes or not? No.
Pendulum, is this woman in this point of creation, yes or not?
You got what?
No.
We got no, meaning that this woman doesn't exist in the picture. So I can work very free with the man and the picture is not there. The woman is not there.
Yes.
It's like I place a frontier. It's like I place a wall and she's not here. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm going to change the picture again. I'm going to take another paper. I'm going to take another clean
Thank
one.
you.
Okay? And I'm going to take a picture where it's more than two person, more than one person, because as you can see, here is two people that they look bigger and there's a lot of people in the background that they look smaller, okay? Okay, so I'm going to do something. First of all, I'm going to, again, you see, my pendulum has a problem. He likes to be clean, that's the why. Eh?
He likes to clean it. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Is this pendulum clean, yes or no? Yes. Okay. I'm sitting properly. I have the picture of many people and I'm going to protect that. I'm going to protect that. Wow, the circle is coming better now. It's a matter of practice. Now, it's protected from the outside, so I'm going to try to find out the point of creation of this person here that is with the red hat, you see?
The point of creation.
The one with the red hat. I don't want, not the big one, not the big one, I want this one with the red hat. So this is not confusion. Which one you choose there?
I choose a man with a white shirt.
Okay, perfect. Now here, okay, I'm going to show you, okay? Look here. Okay. Pendulum, please give me the point of creation of the woman in the red hat.
Pendulum, please give me the point of creation of the man with the white shirt.
Here we are. Okay? I got it here. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Pendulum, please tell me if this woman in the red hat is in the point of creation. Yes or not?
Pendulum,
No.
please tell me.
Something I did wrong. Okay. I'm going to do it again. Pendulum, please give me the point of creation of this woman in the red hat. Thank you, Pendulum. Pendulum, is this red woman in the red hat, excuse me, Pendulum, is the woman in the with the red hat in her point of creation, yes or not? Okay, now I get yes. But because I had no first and yes now, I'm going to ask the negative person the negative question to be sure. Pendulum, please tell me if this woman is not in his point of creation, yes or not?
Pendulum,
Now I
please
get
tell
no.
me if his man is not in his point of creation, yes or not?
So she is in the point
Yes.
of creation.
Yeah,
Now I'm going to place the pendulum in this man that is bigger. Now, like I can take any other one, you understand? And I go, Pendulum, tell me, is this person with the glasses in his point of creation, yes or not? No. Thank you. Pendulum, is this person in this point of creation, yes or not? Pendulum, is this person with the red hat in the point of creation, yes or not? Yes. So I'm going back and forth to check if I want, you understand, this is in order to practice.
Yes.
Please.
Pendulum, is this man in the green shirt in point of creation? No. This girl with the blue dress in the point of creation, yes or not? No. The boy with the blue shirt in the point of creation, yes or not? Not.
So you have nobody in the point of
No,
creation?
I have with the
said
white
yes.
shirt. I did it with
The
my
one you
delivery.
said yes is yes.
Yes.
So it's okay.
Is the man with the white shirt in the point of creation, yes or not?
So it is.
Yes.
And if you have the negative question,
Is the man with the white shirt isn't in the point of creation, yes or not?
that's fine, you are not. Now, another thing that I want to clarify to you, don't put your eyes permanently in the person, in the wall. Just try to look like you looking with a child that you see if she's okay or not, and you take out your looking, because we are dealing here with energy, and energy that is photons, that is a particle that becomes a wave and a particle wave, and we don't want any problem like that. So we better look the less possible, because our eyes, as we learned already, has some kind of radiation. So we don't want to affect that.
Yes.
This is the same reason we have the closed fingers, and we don't want any radiation. We want the most clean around. We don't want a glass of water, a glass of nothing in the table. We don't want here in this moment any crystal, nothing that is affecting. We can also give a kind of thing. I said, please, Pendulum, take all the radiation, the negative radiations in this around this table out of the focus, and wherever you can do something like that. Okay?
Okay.
So thank you very much for today's class. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.